friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee, and today I will discuss a problem on flexible budget. You can see my earlier videos in the playlist section of the channel.
The monthly budgets for manufacturing overhead of a concern for two levels of activity were as follows: 60%, 100%. Budgeted production 600 units, 1000 units. Wages rupees 1200, rupees 2000. Consumable stores rupees 900, rupees 1500. Maintenance rupees 1100, rupees 1500. Power and fuel rupees 1600, rupees 2000. Depreciation rupees 4000, rupees 4000. Insurance rupees 1000, rupees 1000. Indicate the nature of cost of the cost items. Prepare a budget at 40% and 80% level of capacity. Calculate variable cost per unit, fixed cost and total cost for 40% and 80% capacity. 60% level of activity units produced is 600 units, and at 100% level of activity unit produced is 1000 units. So if we consider the first item of cost, which is wages, it is given as 1200, and at 1000 units it is 2000 rupees. So what is the cost per unit? At 60% it is rupees 2, and at 100% it is also rupees 2. So this means that wages is variable in nature. So this is a variable cost. Come to conclusions. Consumable stores. Consumable stores, the cost per unit remains the same. It means consumable store is also a variable cost. What about maintenance cost? At 60% level it is 1100, and at 100% it is 1500. So cost per unit is different at two different level of activity, and this also not the same. So this is semi-variable cost. Semi-variable cost, because cost per unit, this is 1000 by 600 is not is equal to, this is rupees 1000 by 600 unit is not is equal to rupees 1500 by 1000 unit. So variable cost will remain the same in earlier two cases. So maintenance cost is semi-variable in nature. Then the fourth item of cost is power and fuel. So if we see what is the total cost, at 60% level of activity it is 1600, and here it is 2000. So here also the variable cost per unit is not the same. So this is also semi-variable in nature, semi-variable cost, because per unit cost is not the same. Per unit cost is not same at two different level of activity. Then fifth item is depreciation. Depreciation in both the level of activity is rupees 1000. So depreciation is fixed in nature. And the last is insurance. Insurance, you have 1000, depreciation is 4000, depreciation is 4000 rupees, and insurance is 1000 rupees. So this is also fixed in nature. Now segregation of semi-variable cost into fixed and variable cost. Now let us consider first the maintenance cost. So variable cost per unit is change in total cost, by change in output. So change in total cost is 1500 minus 1100 by 1000 unit minus 600 unit. So this is rupees 400 by 400 units. This gives rupee 1 per unit. And fixed maintenance cost will be total cost minus variable cost. So total cost you consider at 100% activity level, the total cost is 1500. And what is the variable cost? Now 1000 unit into 1 rupee per unit. So rupees 500 is the fixed cost, fixed maintenance cost. So fixed maintenance cost is rupees 500 and variable maintenance per unit of maintenance cost is rupee 1 per unit. Now consider power and fuel. Power and fuel. So variable cost per unit of power, change in total cost, again change in total cost by change in unit, change in units. So your total cost changes from 2000 minus 1600 divided by 1000 unit minus 600 units. So this is rupees 400 by 400 units is rupee 1 per unit. Therefore fixed cost of power and fuel will be total cost minus variable cost. So total cost at 100% activity level, it is 2000 minus 1000 into 1. So this gives total fixed cost of power and fuel is 1000 rupees. So activity level at 40% and 80%, we have to find out the total cost. So at 40%, what is the unit production? This will be 400 units and this will be 800 units. Because at 100% of activity level, 1000 unit of production is made. So at 40% activity level, 400 units of production, and at 80% activity level, 800 units of production will be made. So what about, first we will consider the variable costs. So wages, so here I write the variable cost per unit, variable cost per unit. So wages, variable cost we have calculated at rupees 2, and so 400 into 2, this will be 800, and 800 into 2, this will be 1600. Next is consumable stores. This is 1.50, so 600 and 1200. Next is variable maintenance cost. Maintenance, this is calculated at rupee 1, so 400 and 800. Next is power and fuel. So variable power and fuel cost is also rupee 1 per unit, so 400, 800. So this is variable cost per unit. Variable cost per unit will be 5 rupees 50 paise, so 2200, and this is 4400. Next is fixed cost. What about fixed cost? So maintenance we have calculated at 500, power and fuel, this will be 1000, depreciation is given as 4000, and insurance is 1000. So total fixed cost, this is variable cost and this is total fixed cost. Total fixed cost, this is 6500. What about total cost? Therefore total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. Here you have 8700, and in this case 10,900. And total cost, if you are asked total cost per unit, so this will be 8,000 rupees divided by 400 units, so rupee 21.75, and this will be 10,900 by 800 units, so this will be rupees 13.625. I presented the budget at 40% and 80% level of activity in one screen.
Hope you have understood the problem. Thank you.